In front of me is VIVO V40 Lite, and let me show you how to add or remove Google account on this device. So at first, enroll settings, then find and select accounts over here and choose the account that you want to remove. We will start with a removal. Tap on the remove account, and if you truly want to do it, just confirm by tapping on the remove account. And if you do have some lock screen pattern, PIN code, fingerprint, you will have to provide it to confirm that you want to remove your account. And as you can see, it is no longer connected with your device. And now if you want to add another account or same one just later on, or maybe for the first time, just open accounts at first. Now mark add account, choose Google, draw a pattern if you have one. And now provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. In my case, it's email address. I'll use a different one. Now mark next. And enter the password. Just let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, just tap on next. Now mark if this device belongs to you or to your kiddo. Select next. I agree. Here go for all Google services that you want to have, that you want to use, and basically it has been done. So this is how you can add and remove Google account. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.